Hello, my wonderful viewers. Welcome to my platform. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. If it is your first time of visiting my channel, you are welcome. I give information about Germany in this platform. So after watching, subscribe, put on your notification bell, and that way you'll be able to know when I upload a new video. I am going straight to this video right now. A lot of you are asking me, I am a skilled worker. I want to come to Germany to work. Now I'm going to read to you German new immigration law for skilled workers who wishes to come to Germany to work. The Skilled Immigration Act is a new law which expands the possibility for qualified professionals to come to work in Germany. Now, it's easier for skilled workers with vocational and academic training from non-EU countries to migrate to Germany in order to work. The current condition for qualified professionals with university degree remain in place with some realization of the rules. Now, what changes does the new law introduce? The new law expands the framework under which qualified professionals from non-EU countries can come to work in Germany. The key changes are now. Let us look at the changes that is concerning this. 1. Definition of the qualified professional. What profession do you have? In what field do you want to fit in? The following persons are considered qualified professionals under the Skilled Immigration Act. 1. Person who have either completed qualified vocational training in Germany for which a training period of at least 2 years is generally qualified, or person who have acquired a vocational qualification abroad which have been recognized as equivalent to German qualified vocational training. Shorter foreign vocational training courses may be considered equivalent to qualified vocational training in Germany if the training does not differ substantially or if these differences have been compensated for. 2. Person with a higher education degree which is comparable to a higher education degree in Germany. Now I'm going to throw more light before I continue. Even if I didn't finish it in this video, I may do the part 2. I need to explain in this area. Remember, if you are coming from Africa to Germany, even if you be a doctorate degree holder, when you come to Germany, you are going to undergo another training because the educational system in Nigeria, or rather in Africa, differs from the one in Germany. So when you come to Germany with this your qualification, they may consider it inequivalent, so leading to you undergoing some trainings before you can be employed. This is what I want to throw more light as I continue. Facing the German labor market, it is easier to enter the labor market. The qualified professional must possess an employment contract or specific job offer and a qualified recognized in Germany. No priority check is undertaken by the Federal Employment Agency. Qualified professionals with vocational qualification. The employment of qualified personnel from outside the EU with vocationals, that is non-academic training, is no longer restricted to occupations experiencing a skill shortage. If someone has a vocational training qualification recognized in Germany, their resident permit allowing them to work in a specified occupation will also allow them to work in Germany in all occupations covered by their qualification. Coming to Germany to look for a job. Professionals with a vocational training qualification are also able to come to Germany to look for a job. They will be granted a resident permit for up to 6 months. The precondition for this is that the foreign qualification is recognized by the relevant body in Germany and that the person can support themselves for the duration of their stay and has the necessary German language skills for the desired occupation. Generally, German language skill at least B1 level of the Common European Framework of Reference for Language are required. During the time spent in Germany looking for a job, employment up to 10 hours a week on a trial basis is possible. This enables an employee and the foreign qualified professionals to find out if they are suited to each other. Professionals with a recognized academic qualification who as before are permitted to work to Germany for 6 months to seek employment are also allowed to work on a trial basis. So now let me throw more light before I continue. Like you heard me read here now, if you are coming to Germany to look for a job from non-EU country, the requirement is that you must learn German language up to B1 level. In English, they say B1, but in Dutch, it's B1 level. And you must be able to sustain yourself. It's not that you will leave your country and say you are coming to Germany to look for work, and when you come, the government will be sustaining you. It's not possible. And in this regard, they will give you 6-month visa. In this 6-month visa, you are allowed to look for up to 10 hours job a week. In this process is for you to check if you and your employee is compatible. That is the job that you find, whether you can do it, and in the other way around, whether your employee will also retain you. So if you are coming from non-EU country to look for job in Germany, please try as much as you can to learn German. You can learn German online. You can go to school, depending anyhow you wish to learn it. As I proceed, period of residence for training and skill development. Opportunity to come to Germany in order to undertake training are being improved. Wow, this is a very good news. For those who want to come to Germany to train themselves for a particular work, like you heard me read again, it is now possible. I think before it wasn't, but now it's among their law. The basic precondition for this is that a recognition procedure is undertaken by the relevant body in Germany while the applicant is abroad, and the procedure finds that the person's foreign qualification does not fully meet the requirement of a German qualification in a recognition certificate or Anerkennung Bescheid, that is your CV. Another precondition for the issuing of a visa to receive training is that the person has the necessary German language skills. This will usually equate to A2 in the Common European Framework of Reference for Language. The 18 months resident permit can be extended, for example, for this purpose by 6 months up to a maximum period of 2 years after the minimum period of the resident permit has expired. A resident permit for the purpose of training, study, or work can be issued. Now, I'm going to throw more light in this one again because it's very, very important, and this is a very good opportunity for those who want to come to Germany to train themselves for any vocation. Here, they will first give you 6 months. And if you come here and we are able to secure a job or a training that you want to undergo. So during this, your training, if your visa or your resident permit expired, they are going to prolong it. My dear people, I will stop here and I will continue the part 2 next time. If you like this video, tell me, let me make more of it. Thank you so much for watching.